Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Axie Infinity, where we will be covering Axie Movesets in detail. Axie Infinity is a popular blockchain-based game where players can collect, breed and battle creatures known as Axies. Each Axie has a unique set of attributes and moves that determine its strength and abilities in battle. To start with, let's understand the basics of Axie Movesets. An Axie can have a total of 4 moves, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. These moves are categorized into different types such as normal, special and status. Normal moves deal direct damage to the opponent. Special moves have additional effects such as healing or shielding. And status moves apply debuffs or buffs to the Axie or its opponent. When building an Axie moveset, it's essential to consider the Axie's attributes such as its health, speed, and skill. For example, an Axie with high speed and skill is well suited for special moves that require a lot of energy, while an Axie with high health is better suited for normal moves that deal direct damage. Let's consider a practical example. Suppose we have an Axie with high health and low speed, and we want to build a moveset that takes advantage of its strengths. We could choose 2 normal moves that deal direct damage, a special move that heals the Axie, and a status move that applies a debuff to the opponent. This moveset would allow the Axie to deal consistent damage while also staying alive for longer. Some best practices to keep in mind when building Axie movesets include diversifying your moves to cover different types of damage and effects, considering the Axie's attributes and playstyle, and experimenting with different combinations to find what works best. It's also essential to stay up to date with the latest meta and balance changes in the game to ensure your moveset remains competitive. In conclusion, building an effective Axie moveset requires a deep understanding of the game's mechanics and the Axie's attributes. By considering the different types of moves, the Axie's strengths and weaknesses, and the current meta, you can create a well-rounded moveset that helps you succeed in battle. Remember to stay flexible and adapt to changes in the game. And don't be afraid to experiment and try out new combinations to find what works best for you.